A question about identity and boolean in Python 3. I have a question about identity in Python. I'm a beginner in Python and I have read some courses on is keyword and is not. And I don't understand why the operation false is not true is not true is not false is not true equals false in Python. For me this operation have to return true.
Python chains comparisons. Formally, if A, B, C, Y, Z are expressions in opus 1, opus 2, opna comparison operators, then a opus 1b opus 2c, Y op Z is equivalent to a opus 1b and B opus 2c and Y op Z, except that each expression is evaluated at most once. Your expression is, which becomes, which is equivalent to, which is false.
Is relates to identity. When you ask if X is Y, you're really asking are X and Y the same object? Note that this is a different question than do X and Y have the same value. Likewise, when you ask if X is not Y, you're really asking are X and Y different objects. Specifically in regards to true and false, Python treats those as singletons, which means that there is only ever one false object in an entire program. Anytime you assign something to false, that is a reference to the single false object, and so all false objects have the same identity.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.